How to assemble the 07W canopy. Apply the sealing strips along all joints where the 4 canopy panels meet. Press the sealing strips firmly into place to ensure a proper seal. Locate the pre-marked mounting hole positions on each panel. Drill the mounting holes at the corresponding locations before assembly. Position the 4 canopy panels together in the correct assembly order. Place a washer under the head of each mounting bolt. Insert the bolts through the aligned holes. Use a wrench to evenly tighten all mounting bolts. Inspect all panel joints to ensure the canopy is securely assembled.